So my name is Pete Walsh. I'm a senior equipment manager with the Walsh Group, working here at our Irondale maintenance facility. So the equipment division manages the fleet for the Walsh Group from procurement through salvage. And that includes all the maintenance and logistics to moving the equipment to all the assigned projects across the country throughout its life. So we moved here to our Irondale maintenance facility in May of 2006. We have 101 acres here. There's a 43,000 square foot shop and a 10,000 square foot office facility where the equipment division is housed.
There's roughly $700 million worth of capital equipment throughout the company, over 300 projects at any given time with about 200 requests per day.
So a number of mechanics that we have at Irondale have upwards of 30 years experience in the construction industry and working on heavy equipment. We are able to share that knowledge and that experience with a number of different projects in a lot of different ways.
Having a centrally managed fleet, we're able to cover the whole country with our own fleet. Our fleet has grown about 75%. However, the biggest growth has been in large-scale joint venture-owned fleet, which has grown 6.5 times the size in the past 12 years. When we say we are a nationwide fleet, we truly are a nationwide fleet.
So here in the crane team at Walsh, we coordinate all major repairs for the cranes. The Walsh Group's crane fleet is diverse. It's 201 units to date. That's inclusive of the joint venture machines. We currently have 7 tower cranes in the fleet. We have 3 cranes erected, 2 are in Roswell, Georgia. 1 is in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We also have 4 cranes to be erected that are company-owned cranes, 2 in Nashville, 2 in Dallas in December.
The Walsh Group owns more pieces of Cameco paving equipment than any other contractor in the United States. We currently have just under 70 Cameco pieces in our fleet. Cameco has actually adopted a number of modifications that we made on our own. So we will mix and match or modify a paver to the job's exact specifications if it'll improve the finished product. Our paving fleet has been in extremely high demand. Just the last few years is, to my knowledge, the only years that we've had every paver we own out on jobs.
The regional equipment managers, in conjunction with the project teams, develop a project equipment plan for all of our large projects. We address things like fuel, preventative maintenance plans, staffing regarding mechanics, project engineers, truck drivers, whatever is needed to manage the equipment during the time that it's assigned to that project.
Our scheduling device, called WEM, or the Walsh Equipment Manager, is by far probably the best system that I've seen. It allows us to search inside of that massive list of equipment that we have available, rather than having to, search through spreadsheets and make phone calls and try to find things. All that stuff is readily available to us right up in front.
So right now we're doing about 20 to 30 engine or transmission rebuilds a year. We have discovered that we are able to do it cheaper and better quality control if we do it within our shop, and about half of the price of a dealer doing the same engine rebuild.
In the past few years, our equipment division has started up 3 separate equipment companies, 2 of them to support joint ventures, and 1 of them to allow us to rebuild equipment. All 3 of those companies right now are forecasted to provide about $4 million more benefit to the Walsh Group. So another way that we've really helped control cost is we've implemented an REM dashboard. This dashboard is a measurement tool that's used to track different various operating metrics by the regions.
So the dashboard gives us a monthly quantitative measurement of our performance on our goals and metrics. It measures our preventative maintenance performance, our repair durations, quality events, our outside rental management, DOT program management. We use that tool to identify areas of concern where we can focus our efforts to get better at achieving our goals related to our fleet metrics.
Our mechanics have to be knowledgeable or capable of working on virtually any kind of construction equipment.
For the last 5 years, we've been recruiting at Pittsburgh State and Ferris State in Michigan for our equipment engineers. We've been very successful creating this pipeline of interns that turn into full-time equipment engineers for utilization on our projects and within the equipment division here at Irondale. And we found that to be more successful than just hiring cold the people that haven't been through our programs. Annually, at the end of the summer, we hold an intern rodeo here at Irondale for the interns that are spread out throughout the Chicagoland area on the building projects and the estimating departments and the heavy civil group, and even our handful of equipment interns.
One of the unique things that we've done here at the Equipment Division in the past 3 years is we've created several positions for young engineers.
I believe they have created a culture here that when we hire somebody, they want to stay, they want to start and finish their career with us here.
At the Equipment Division, safety is one of our highest priorities.
We've worked tens of thousands of man hours without an incident.
So the Equipment Division gets involved with safety with the projects by managing our equipment incident reporting system. The Equipment Division also manages our Truce program, which protects 950 of our Level 3 take-home vehicle drivers from texting or utilizing their phones without a hands-free device. Well, the Equipment Division is a support group to support the operations team that are building our projects. So we understand our role there, and communication, I believe, is one of the biggest assets that we have, so we can work together and utilize our fleet to build the projects.